Hello, hello. How are we doing, guys?
What's up? We're live here from Dubai. Yes, that's possible.
Finn's made it. He's made it from the war zone. So many people actually left Dubai as well, out of fear for no reason.
That's impossible.
No, like they
No, it's
moved to like
impossible.
different.
Oh,
Can't
to
happen.
different Emirates? Yeah, no, that's
Yeah,
just...
yeah. It can't be done.
You know what the thing
Honestly,
is? If I would flee, I would want to go to an area where I don't see it, I don't smell it, I don't hear it. It doesn't make any sense that you move to a different area where you can still see it, still hear it, and sometimes smell it. Doesn't make any sense.
I know. Yeah, if you guys are watching this, me and Finn are thinking more downside. Like these lows just look way too good. I don't see this as a low of the day. Give a funded account. How about you give me a funded account?
Reverse the game.
Yeah, you should give me a funded account, bro.
And Finn as well.
Yeah, both of us. You know, you can show the comments on the stream.
Huh?
Should we keep it like this? Can you see the comments on the screen now?
Yeah, we can do it. Just showing GuardianTV. No.
Oh, I'll remove that for you. Nice. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of feeling NQ downside today, especially off of that gap and whatever's going on right now.
Same. Just hold on one sec.
Okay. Catch trade. Yeah, I took a long in London session, which was right here. I took longs. Actually, I got out a bit before the final run. I did initially take a loss though, trying to long it here, but it's whatever. I'm kind of feeling shorts down though, like maybe we could just short it from here. And then it just dumps to the lows. Two-minute breaker? No, I don't trade with breakers. I trade based mainly on time. So like I have a few videos on my Twitter that you guys can check out. I'm mainly using like the 3 a.m. candle and breaking down the certain time elements to it. It's pretty interesting stuff. Do I have the massive paper account? If we had the massive paper account, we could have entered 50 minis.
Oh, yeah.
Do. You called the longs, nice. Today, I don't know, with my New York range, we'll only be looking for longs, but if we look for the longs, they have to come down here. Like, I can't buy the market here. It has to be bearish for me. Unless we make an SMT of the lows and they spike it higher. Could happen. Hope it doesn't happen. How about gold? Wait, doesn't the market get halted soon? We're at -2%. Nearly.
Yeah.
Oh, is it at 3%? Gold's trading at 3%. Is it only for the minus or can it be for the green as well? Oh, damn.
Both.
I'm surprised they've not halted gold yet.
Yeah, well, it was this morning, I think, close to this morning. CL is definitely close. Definitely trading.
Oh, I didn't even check crude. Let's see.
Of course, bro.
7%. Yeah, if you guys didn't fill up yesterday, then I don't know. You might be looking for a pretty expensive gas bill. Yeah, crude is.
Good
This
luck
might be
living in the UK, bro.
Yeah, bro. If you live in Europe right now for oil prices, it's probably crazy. Well, they are crazy.
Yo, Finn, I hope you're keeping safe from those bombs. Yeah, of course. It's actually crazy. It was like less than 5 kilometers from my house.
And you didn't even flinch.
I
You
didn't
just
even
stood
flinch.
there.
I was just asking you if she wanted to come on.
God. If I wanted to do that. I don't see this as low of the day. 3 a.m. Potential, but I hope it's not. I don't know what I like right now.
Well, I like to see us go lower, but
To buy or just to short?
just a short.
Yeah.
I think we can go to 425.
Oh yeah. I hope we do get down there. There's like nothing holding us back from this.
Yeah. Exactly.
Let's see. Let's see what this open brings. Dow SMT at the low still. If we're bearish though, I see no need for it to run this high again. Like it should just drop at the open. But if it does go higher, then I think it's being difficult for no reason.
Yeah.
It is NASDAQ. Yeah, this is NQ right now. Yeah, I think that's a potential idea as well, Joe. I don't know. If I wanted to buy, I'd be buying down here. That gap's still left open. How big was this? Well, we didn't really gap down that much, you know, like it's only 300 points. I mean, it's still crazy, but compared to what we've seen, it's not that mad. And this is the first trading day of the new month, so
Yeah.
if we're going lower first, it'll be interesting. Did you get a new mic?
No, why?
Oh, it just sounds better. I don't know. I don't know what you changed.
Because you can't hear me breathe?
Yeah, it just sounds clear. I don't know what you did to it.
I don't know either, to be fair.
It just fixed overnight.
Didn't change any settings, so
I don't know. It just sounds better now. Market open. I kind of just want to see down. That's what I kind of want to see. Just open up and just push it lower. Nvidia is down quite a lot. What are we down? 4%? I'm actually more interested to see where the stocks open up than anything. You want him to stop breathing?
maybe he doesn't breathe anymore. Wow.
Took out a protected low. Want to see price push down here though. Yeah, I would like downside too, especially to these lows. If it does run higher again at the open, that's 3 drives higher. Like, I would still try and look to short this. Only time I wouldn't is if we leave this low, or if you take out this low to go higher. But I'd still remain bearish. This is actually great for me because I've been a bear for the past 3 months, probably more. So finally seeing the market drop.
In the end, you are right. No,
Yeah,
kidding.
it took me so long to see that. So we could play one of 2 ways. Either we short ahead of the open with like the risk would probably be skewed right now. Because what's the VIX at? The VIX is quite high, so the volatility at the open could just be insane.
That's
So
what I would expect though, because this is the first
Yeah.
US Open after everything
Yeah.
that happened over the weekend. That's why it always happens over the weekend, you know.
Yeah, the market's not going to be able to handle that during the week.
No.
I need to find the... I don't know why that turned off. But realistically, I want to see this gap hold it. Ooh, look at gold. Imagine we trap buys and they just sink gold. That would be...
That would be an insane move, but then I would think that gold would go up though. Sorry, NQ would go up.
NQ, yeah. I still think NQ goes higher, like long term, but looking at how everything is, makes more sense for them to send it lower than higher.
Yeah.
I think the dollar goes lower for a longer time, and I think it might recover for a bit, but for most parts, we'll have to see.
Where's the DXY at?
I think it's trading in 90s.
Well, yeah, almost in the hundreds.
Oh, it recovered. Yeah, the thing with currencies is they're so hard to trade because they actually do require some like economic data, you know, like what's going on with each currency, each country. It's not you just wake up and like this feels like a buy. It's actually a real data-driven market.
Yeah.
Nasdaq, on the other hand,
you know,
it does what we say.
It does what we say, what we control on Blue Guardian TV.
Yeah, exactly. Like today, we need it to go lower. That's what we.
But like, for my comfort, I would say it needs to go higher first to take out that high, you know, so that it makes my sales valid.
Yeah, I mean, if it runs higher, then we'll just short it again. How long we got? We got 15 minutes until the open. I think there's an SMT at the lows with Dow. I'm not been considering Dow SMTs as of lately.
No.
Fuck forex. I agree, but the thing with forex is most retail day traders don't succeed because forex isn't really like a scalping market. You have to hold long term. It's more like a swing trading market. That's where I found the most success with it when I did trade it. Like intraday trading it, you can't do it the same as NQ or like gold futures.
Yo, can I tell you something?
Yes, tell me and the entire chat.
Okay, you know how many drones got destroyed in the UAE?
How did you find this information out?
On the national news, like official
Oh.
sources. 506.
Bro. That's insane.
160,
Who sent them?
152 ballistic missiles have been destroyed, and two cruise missiles.
Someone's on a score streak right now. So someone's pulling out a VTOL jet pretty soon.
As long as it's not a warhead.
Yeah. Or a swarm. The swarm is so OP.
The swarm was already there.
Yeah,
you don't even know. The swarm are the drones, bro. Finn will be trading from a bunker. What do you think I'm doing now? No.
He's in his bunker right now.
I mean, I wanted to call you to show you how normal life goes here, because I think that the news is showing a lot of fake stuff, and we're using a lot of videos so that it looks like there's more strikes going on than there actually are.
Yeah, like, I don't know why Dubai's at the face of it. Like, bro, Iran's probably a lot worse than what's going on, you know, compared to Dubai. And all the influencers in Dubai are like, yeah, I missed my flight to get home to record my video.
Yeah.
Because a bomb went off. Like, what? Like, what do you... This is insane to me. I guess that's the national news outlets for you. What did you
There's
miss?
also
You missed
people
Finn.
saying like, yeah, you missed me.
He's in the battlefield right now.
There's also people saying like, oh, Burj Khalifa got hit, blah, blah, blah. You know how expensive it is if you share fake news here? Costs you £30,000.
Yeah. The thing in the UK, you can get like arrested for tweeting the wrong thing now, so it doesn't surprise me.
Ooh.
Or even if the Burj did get hit, that would strike a huge ego for them anyway. Like, something would break out if that thing got hit.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, it wouldn't just be like a little debris.
I mean, that's like, no, that's the UAE's baby. What you touch.
Well, a really funny thing, one of my friends, he's going to Dubai in like June, and like the only hotel that got hit was the one that he was going to. Like, out of every single other hotel, it was only his got hit. That's like crazy unlucky.
Yeah, that's crazy unlucky. Did you know that this Vermont hotel has a lot of negative reviews on their website right now and on Google?
Like, well, what can they control with that, you know? Like,
bro, there's a lot of people that say, like 1 star. All of a sudden, there was a rocket flying into my window, and then someone else has put a review 1 star, 1 star, because this hotel doesn't have an anti-air defense system.
That's what I mean, bro. Like, some people are so out of touch with what's going on. It's so funny. Back to the chat. If we get the 1 minute, I think so too. Honestly, I don't see this as low of the day, bro.
No.
I have 2 ideas. Either we shorts here. I just don't want to short because of the volatility at the open. It might just smoke me, because usually I'm entering like 1 mini and I don't want to enter a mini. Because I entered a mini in London and that was a lot. So I don't want to enter in New York. So either another run higher and I'll short like 5 micros, just half the risk, or we just drop off from the initial plan. I think that's could happen from this.
I would just not get a position if we don't go higher first.
Yeah, true.
To be fair.
You didn't take the longs today, right?
I didn't, no. Didn't show my model, so.
Tomorrow we get them back. Or today.
Yeah. SMT.
Are the lows or the highs? I know there's some of the lows. Oh no, it's not.
There's none of the lows either. Is there? Oh, there is. Yeah. For that low. Okay.
Yeah.
How is my weekend? My weekend was as you saw in the news headlines.
Dubai's just gone. There's nothing left of it anymore.
Bro, watch out.
Oh, sorry. I actually don't want to find. I was joking.
Imagine
that's
later
one
this
joke.
year. Imagine later this year you come to Dubai and then they're like, okay, sir, you got
that's one place I don't want to
fine.
That's one place I don't want to fuck with. I'll say sorry for that. I was just joking. A government official watching the stream.
Yeah. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. Okay. I would think we're bearish, but it depends on what happens later this week. Obviously, this week is very full of fundamentals that are not in Forex Factory. So now we're actually in a trading week. So if the new strike happens, you will be able to see that in your chart.
Yeah, if like Nasdaq,
Or,
like we got to keep in mind as well, like new monthly candle opened. I don't see them leaving this low, like 24,168. They should get smoked. I don't see that like holding.
Yeah.
But like if the new month's open and we're dropping lower, then it makes me sus for like the rest of the weeks to come.
Same. Sus, very sus.
Today I got the longs.
Why yo, stop it.
Huh?
He says yo, stop it.
Stop what?
I don't know.
You have a long.
I don't know. Oh, Queen Zara, okay. Stop loss. What do you mean stop loss? Brad. Nick, what do you mean?
I'm gonna enter my 50 minis on paper.
Now?
No. There's a time and place for it. You guys will know. You guys will know when I'm in that.
Oh,
Stop what? Stop
loss.
Are you rapping? Alright, 5 minutes. This market is very slow. Oh my god, silver's tanking. Are the contract sizes still messed up on silver? Or did they do anything about it? I remember like one mini was insane.
Oh, I think it's still like that. I don't think it's changed.
Oh.
Take 50 minis on silver.
No, that's insane, right? I think you can make a lot just of like 5. Never mind 50.
Yeah.
I don't even think the paper account has enough margin for that. Bro, they're tanking gold. They trapped the longs. No way.
Like we all expected.
I know people were heavily leveraged buying this. This trade, yeah, it was like a 1 to 3. I had to make it back for the loss that I took here. Initially, along this next.
Going for those lows in the gap.
Going for the lows? I hope so.
There's also news at 10.
Oh, I didn't check the calendar this week.
It's not that bad.
PMI. We don't have much going on actually this week. Oh, we have NFP going on.
When? Friday?
Yeah. So if you guys want to gamble accounts, you know which ones to get. The Guardian ones.
Exactly.
Actually, NFP is like the worst. NFP is like the worst day to do it. CPI is
Why?
the best, I think, because there's always like two-sided delivery on NFP. CPI is one-sided candle.
That's actually true, yeah. But this is also not the real one.
It's not.
Well, this is it is one. It is an NFP, but I think you have a stronger one where it literally says NFP now.
That's.
But
no,
there's
the one-
CPI
the-
next Wednesday, so I would definitely wait for CPI.
Yeah, I'm gonna try CPI. We actually have daylight saving times changing as well. So let's just see. Gotta talk about forex. I don't trade forex. Neither does Finn.
Oh, sorry, I got
Yeah.
goosebumps when you said that.
You
What did you
you
say?
don't want to trade forex.
Oh
It's a scary word, actually. It's a banned word.
yeah. All my memories of slippage and spreads came back. Bro, like honestly, in forex, I've had times where like quite literally, I put a position here, I press market order, and then it comes all the way up here.
Yeah, the spreads are insane, bro. I never had any good fills.
No.
Even indices were messed up.
Oh
You
yeah.
captured the gold move. I didn't capture gold. It was pretty clean with my model in London. I think they've trapped some buyers though.
Okay.
Yes, sweat.
Here we are, 15 seconds away from open, guys.
15
15
seconds away
seconds.
to see what goes on.
7, 6, 5, 4.
I think ES has got the lows right now
1.
as well.
That's unexpected, to be fair.
This is kind of boring and slow open though.
Yeah, that's insane. Maybe it's because of the news?
Oh,
Okay.
now we got some movement.
Well, not even. No?
Oh, there. Let's see if it's staying below this low, then we should be able to get those lows for the longs.
If we stay below what low?
This low at 850.
Oh, yeah, but we're not.
Then longs from down here or shorts from up there. Only two ideas I have as for now. Then the 3 drive lower.
Yeah.
They actually zoomed NQ.
It's way too far of a move up. Like, way too straight. Would you think we would go higher in the range?
How many points is this?
Bro,
No, I
that's
hope
insane.
not. It's a 100-point move though. Not too crazy.
Well, still, if you want to get into an entry.
Yeah, true.
Because now you took out the low. Now you took out the high. So you want to go to the low. For my model, what am I going to entry off of?
We're going to enter we're gonna enter a wick. I wish NQ ran this low as well. The glowing candle is buyers within the market. The buyers are stepping in, or the bulls from the open.
Bulls or the bulls?
The bulls. I need the bears to step in. I'll handle it, guys. Don't worry. Oh, you caught that rocket up. Nice.
No way. Respected 50% of that, like exactly 50% of that wick.
I know that
at the bottom.
this is like kind of my entry as well.
That's quite insane, to be fair.
I'll look to short this. Seeing how this candle closes. It were too much of a bull.
It's quite insane if you look at it. You would have like literally a 0 drawdown trade.
On the longs?
Yeah.
Dun, dun. Win rate probably like, I don't know, 50%, 50, 60%. I'm not the world's best trader. I'm just a profitable trader, which is rare.
Bro is being funny.
He's a funny guy. Bro, I hope we don't just pump this whole day.
We might.
Oh, we have these highs up here. Actually, this gap's still left open, but I don't know. I don't want to long this.
I wouldn't have thought that that would hit now, to be fair. Already on the Monday.
No, I wish they left it. The long, yeah, I guess I would have wanted it down here though. It's a long. Now I'm stuck with being a bear. Or I have nothing for New York. One of those two ways.
Well, I'm just looking back. We did have an SMT with ES.
Yeah, but still, I hate longing it right like this, where it's at like midpoint of the range. If it was down at the extreme low, then it makes more sense. But it's still valid enough. But
I mean, technically, you had a 3-minute inversion there, so that's what we could have learned from this stuff. But you know, it's just not perfect. It's okay.
I know, but I can't be a bull. I'd rather take a loss on shorting than a win on buying.
You're insane.
That's how I would rather. That's how I'd rather go down.
Right.
In the history books.
Nice. Okay.
Oh, what the gold do? Not the worst right now.
Gold just didn't take that low. Look at the 15-minute though. Are you on the 15? No, you're in the 5.
On NQ?
Yeah, that's just one 15-minute candle. And you know what the
Bro,
thing is with that? I don't like to short against that.
I'm
I
gonna
know I
short
should
it.
enter shorts, but I don't like shorting against it.
I'm gonna honestly, for me, it has to. If it's bearish, it has to stay below this wick or something. Otherwise, it might just attack for the full gap fill because it's left this bit out untouched. Still possibility, but I don't know. If it just jumps to the upside, then I don't have much to do, especially in New York.
You're not gonna go long either from here, you know.
Nah.
The shit is rocketing, yeah, like Dubai. This morning I had a nice alarm though, to be fair. Or not nice, but you know what I mean.
What? Oh.
I woke up by a rocket explosion next to my house.
That's actually insane.
Yeah.
That's your new alarm forever. Joking.
I hope not.
Joking. Alright, let's see what this candle does. I'll be very bored if it does one of these things where it just like slowly pokes higher and higher and higher.
Yeah. No, that'd be terrible.
That would be a boring morning. Low-key, if this candle's staying below this, then it would not be the worst of ideas for the downside. Yeah. All I want is my shorts, bro. Give me some, give me the downside and I'll be happy with it. Dude. Even this song's like caught in my head now.
Very encouraging.
This is lo-fi music. That's what it came up as.
Lo-fi.
Just replying to some of these kids. All this message. All right, guys, are we fading the bull move or what?
I don't think so.
We're not fading it.
It's fake. It's a hoax.
There's only one hoax. What's...
Don't even mention it.
To be honest, the only thing that's bearish for me is this wick. If it stays below. So for now, I'm just gonna watch this next candle. See if it stays below this wick. Which is so much of an aggressive move to the upside. It's like 200, 300 points.
You cannot short against this, basically.
No, I will. I just want to see what it does.
All right. Let's see.
I have a few profits from London that I'm willing to risk. But we'd have to just start selling off in like 5 minutes.
From where?
Yes, I'm the only bear. I don't know. I'd have to close below like 50% of this gap. I think. Or we might be able to get the S&T with these highs. Either one of those two scenarios.
I wouldn't be too surprised if we just consolidate right now.
Oh, I hope not.
Well, I hope not either, but I wouldn't be too surprised. That's why I'm telling you.
You're gonna jinx it.
No.
The word console.
Console. CONSOL.
So yeah, guys, I'm pretty much just waiting to see what it does with this wick. If it holds it, or whatever the news does, or is it one of those days where it just like slowly grinds to the upside? These days I don't really trade too well on because I take a lot of break evens. Oh, I didn't check the RTH gap today. Oh yeah, the gap was mega bullish actually. Makes sense for the move higher.
Yep.
All right, the bulls had their fun. Time to go where we need to.
You are insane.
Stocks didn't open too bad as well.
Huh?
Stocks didn't open too bad like the markets. There's nothing really down too much.
True. That's why the recovery is pretty easy.
Yeah. Let's see what the VIX is at. Unless they're brewing the real move today. The VIX recovered its volatility as well. So yeah, guys, you can look at the VIX if no one's taught you about it. The VIX, if it goes lower, then obviously volatility dies down. Tends for US indices to go higher. VIX higher, indices lower. So at the open, VIX was trading at what, 25, caused the indices to be red for most parts of the morning. To the magnet. Yeah, or we have nothing. That's also a scenario for today.
I will, like, regardless if something happens now, I do not even have an entry.
Oh yeah, what's the M1 looking like? Yeah, that looks awful.
Yeah.
Only thing I have is the M5 wick.
So even for that, yeah.
Let's have to see. Or we just wait on the news. One of two.
Yeah.
One of two.
I mean, yeah, possibly. Nothing else to do, so.
Bro, that candle's like 200 points. No, what is this candle? 300.
Yeah.
I hope they don't make me sit through just a slow bullish day.
You're gonna get your slow bullish day, bro.
We're gonna get it. Let's go sleep now.
What? You're gonna sleep now?
Yeah.
No way. Bro's tired. This shit.
Tired of watching this market. Am I still in the trade? I didn't take a trade. I will soon though. If I get something nice, I will soon short it. I just want to see what it does this week. The only trade I've taken is London longs, and then I potentially want New York shorts. Might be waiting on the news for the most parts.
Sure.
Dun, dun.
Go ahead. You haven't seen your cat on stream yet, bro. Rauf.
What time is it? He's downstairs sleeping. I'm not waking him up. If he's up, oh my god, we're gonna have a very stressful stream. Dude. You like 7-Up?
Yeah.
Really?
What is the difference between Sprite and 7-Up, actually? Does anyone know?
Bro, huge difference.
What's
Sprite
the difference?
tastes a lot better. Like it's more like it's got more like a lemony taste to it.
Okay. Makes sense.
7-Up's more like tangy, limey, you know.
Well, okay.
I got super bored one day and I was just taste testing them all.
When is it visible on your YouTube channel, bro?
I should have recorded it. I bought like a few. I bought like Coke Zero. This day I was really bored. Like it might have been a day like this when the market just pumped and I was just tasting them all.
Damn. That must suck, bro.
Sprite does taste better, I agree. Right, we have a minute to the close. If we close above the wick, then I think we just push a bit higher. And I have nothing for New York. All I wanted was downside. Like I had two ideas. Either we run the low for the longs or run the highs for the shorts. But I don't like how this candle just closed all the way up here. So I'll have to just wait on it.
It's just annoying.
Did you take anything?
No, I mean, for me, it's nothing to take up here. I don't.
Yeah.
There's no inversion or for value gap to trade off of.
No, what is
you would go long, it's way too high. If you would go short, it's way too bullish.
The M1 looks pretty crazy as well.
Yeah.
Dude.
It would be pretty crazy if we leave that high, though. That is inside the opening gap.
This one? No, he's gonna blast through it. Might fill it. What does this daily look like now? No, I cannot do this anymore. We cannot close within here. We have to move out this daily consolidation.
Oh no!
There's no way we don't move out of this. That would be ridiculous.
Finn drinking slowly like a cat. Why? How do you mean that?
He is a cat, bro.
How does that make sense?
Still left a high.
That's unbelievable. That's unacceptable, actually.
It should get it, should get it.
Especially with this 5-minute close. We should definitely go over.
Consolidation's good. Yeah, it is very good. It's been pretty good the past few weeks, to be honest. The ranges. Oh yeah, there was with the SMT on ES. I think a few people in my group took it. I didn't take it.
I thought it was quite risky, to be fair.
Thing is, it was a good long. It was just more into the open. I would have rather. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Actually,
What the?
there we go.
What the?
I took it nice. Good stuff.
We have SMT on the upside.
Oh.
Yeah, we do. Oh. Actually.
I'm going to risk it for a biscuit soon. If we start tanking, that's what I'm going to do.
No way.
I know, I can't believe it missed it out. That would be insane if it doesn't take it. I still feel like it will. Would be insane if it doesn't.
Yeah. I mean,
and then we start running.
It technically can't be.
It technically can't continue like this. Can it?
No. It can't.
Eventually it's gotta go down.
Nah.
Eventually at one point.
I mean, dude.
That point has to be today.
Can it though?
And soon. Needs to go down now.
Would you think it can?
You just gotta believe. If you don't believe it can go down, it definitely won't go down.
Do you believe in love? Nah.
Like, no one's realistically an atheist at like 100x leverage, you know? If you're... like,
That's true.
Definitely...
That is true.
Like...
If someone's there, please let me hit my take profit.
Like, most people will turn to God if it's...
Or if shit gets really bad. If shit gets really bad.
Like, if you wanted to ever do the argument of like a non-believer and a believer, you just got to get them into trading and risking their own money, heavily leveraged. Then you'll see who's really the
And then put
atheist.
them in Dubai in these times as well as an extra.
Yeah, that's just a bonus for the war zone. I thought where did that come from? I thought I'd keep you guys entertained because I can't do much with this price action. This is horrible. Look at the M1. Finn caused this. He said, I bet it consolidates, and it did.
I didn't say that. I said I wouldn't be too surprised.
Yeah, well, look at you, not surprised. So that's what happened.
Look at you not being surprised.
SMT? Wait, who's got the... Oh, Dow SMT.
There is an SMT.
I don't know. Honestly, you guys, I'm probably going to leave New York. As much as I'd want to short, I probably will just leave it alone for now. Only because I won in New York and London. Otherwise, I would have tried something. It's just a like the lower time frame looks meh. I still see it running lower, but I don't know. Probably just leave it for a bit.
You're still holding the 15 though. The 15-minute wick.
Oh shit, yeah. I mean, if it's below that wick, still potential for the downside.
Yeah. These candles are just so long.
I'm boring.
You are boring, or are you bored?
No, the candles are boring. I might have to go play some Search and Destroy to really stimulate my mind, you know. The charts are not really stimulating it for me.
True. I do see a really strong trendline liquidity now. So we're in high resistant liquidity conditions. Look in the M1.
Bruh.
You see that?
Take
Look
your
at
pick,
the trend
guys.
line liquidity.
Take your pick. Are you a bear or are you a bull into the market news?
This is a short squeeze.
Short squeeze? Never.
I mean,
that's a great move.
Technically, we exactly got what you said. This slow, painful way up for the last bit.
Oh yeah, I know. Because I've traded this so many times before. Like usually on days like this, I would trade and it would just poke up. I'd short, poke up, short. I'll be like, oh, bro.
Yeah.
War needs to get more aggressive. I think we need to calm down on the
Holy
war.
shit.
Actually,
I think you should like come over here and then take from your own experience how that is.
Yeah, Finn served in Dubai in 26. He's a veteran. Bro, the thing with options is, even if you're in calls, right now your contracts are getting destroyed. Or losing value. Unless you're in weeklies. I don't think there'll be a war, to be honest. If there's a war, then trading is the least of everyone's concern, you know?
I gotta be honest with you, this weekend I was really wondering where the market was gonna open.
Yeah, but like realistically,
like genuinely.
Say like a World War III did break out, it's not gonna be like a war like World War II where everyone just like lines up and back. It's gonna be a nuclear war at that point.
Oh yeah.
And the possibility of that happening is very slim. Imagine it just happens tomorrow. They just call the war after we say that.
I don't know what state we are right now, you know, like some flights are being continued. Although this morning I woke up by a bang, and later this day there was also a few explosions like next to my house. So I'm like, how can you continue some flights?
I think most airlines have closed departures. I know that, unless you're traveling by private jet, which
no, either that because the airspace is closed. You know what happens? You know how a missile works, right? So it goes on heat sink, like heat seekers, right? Yeah. So if you would fly a plane and there would be a salvo flying by, then it would basically instantly hit you because you're in this thing with an engine on.
Bro, I don't want to go to war.
That's the fastest way to dust, bro. I'm telling you.
Unless I'm in a fighter jet, that'd be pretty cool. But if there is any veterans in here, then thank you for your service wherever you have served. I doubt there is any veterans, but if there is, you know, it's pretty cool. All right, that was the news. This dude did absolutely nothing, so I don't have much. I'm not gonna
absolutely nothing but give a bullish bias.
Trade. Actually, still not moved. That's all.
No. Like at all.
Hashtag be safe, Finn. Yeah, we should get this trending on Twitter, actually, guys.
No.
Be safe, Finn.
Be safe, Finn. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
While he's living in a high-rise apartment right now, getting food delivered to him. But be safe, Finn. Hope you're okay.
Screw you. Yeah, true, actually. It's not that bad.
And he lives on the top floor as well. It's not like he lives near the bottom.
How would I get down?
Lives right at the top. But yeah, I mean, that's the markets for me in New York today. Not much happened. If you're trading, then good work on the longs, I guess. I don't see much heading into later today. I'll probably be looking for something tomorrow in London because it was pretty clean today. You want to do the giveaway? Where was Gideon today? Where's the mod?
He's not here? He is.
Oh, he's here. The
Yeah.
mod decided not to moderate.
Yeah, the news did come.
did. This is the news.
It was just not that good.
Yeah. Yes, and everything moved, but nothing else did. Alright, let's do the word. What should the word be?
Oh, YM.
The word is
Moved
YM.
so much.
All right.
No, YM moved so much.
Everyone's gonna spam YM now. I bet you. I bet at least one person's gonna type YM.
No. Commons bear.
Yeah, common bear.
No, not YM. Bear. Bear.
Yo, you should really start drinking Sprite, bro.
I'm sorry. I
Turn
usually
on
drink
slow mode.
Sprite, but my wife didn't.
Bro, why did you turn on
What is
slow
that?
mode? Hey, Loki, don't flip with slow mode.
Guys, what? Come on, what is this?
It's because Gideon turned on slow mode for 4 minutes. So no one could type in the chat.
The mod started modding, and then it's at the wrong time.
Yeah. Started doing his work a bit too much, you know. Alright, I got one winner at General FX.
Wait. YM 7-Up Bear, what is it?
Pick a winner. Pick your pick. Whoever. We kind of did say every single word there is, so take your pick at a word.
Got funny Vic.
All right, that's the two winners of the stream of the giveaway. If you're still trading, I don't know what to say. I don't like this price action unless something really aggressive comes out of it, like we start closing below these candles at 24,815, then maybe for like shorts to the downside. Potential for it to just be pretty slow today. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on Wednesday. Be safe and
Be safe,
not
Finn.
be degenerate. Yeah, be safe, Finn, and don't be degenerates.